At this point, Rohit is stuck between a rock and a hard place, where on one hand he wants to support his friend. His conscience is making him feel a lot of guilt. I do wonder if the guilt would have been there had Manisha not been supporting Seher. The fact that he witnessed Seher laying there broken, just in that terrible state, practically saved her from Kamran's guard and is still choosing silence over telling the truth or helping her win her case does make me question a lot of things. But again, also the fact that Kamran helped him out in a time when he was weak and not powerful at all. The fact that he thinks he owes his life to Kamran because Kamran and Kiran saved him from that angry mob in their university. But I also wonder how many times he has helped Kamran hide things from his wife. Like Rohit does say that, I'm tired of hiding these things from Kiran. Oh my god, you've done this again, etc. So we know that Kamran has a bit of a problem when it comes to women especially. Now the question that remains is that will Kamran be successful in winning him over, or will Manisha finally get through to him? I think at this point Rohit has started to see that Kamran is pretty much a monster, especially with the way he's dealing with this case and how he's destroying Seher and her family completely, when honestly he didn't have to go that hard, right? I see this and I think of those cartoons where there's like an angel on one shoulder and a devil on the other, one trying to convince them to do something and the other trying to stop them.